I'm gonna cook assorted green vegetables. So hiwain na natin. Ayan, nahiwa na. Mayroon tayong sahog na shrimp. Ayan, yung malalaki, sugpo. We have onion, tomato, okra, wing beans, radish horse, eggplant, and bitter gourd, ampalaya. May galunggong din. So, habang hinihiwa ko yan, nagpakulo na ng tubig. So, ayan, kumukulo na yung ating tubig sa kasirola. So, ang una nating ilalagay, onion and tomatoes. So let it boil for let's say 1 minute. Lagyan natin ng sea salt, asin, mga isang kutsarita mahigit, and then isang kutsarang patis. And then takpan natin. Once na kumulo, ayan, kumukulo na. So we're gonna add the eggplant. Ayan. Saglit lang pong lutuin ito. Takpan natin. So it takes like 1 minute. Kukulo na yan. So, kumukulo na. The next is the bitter gourd, ampalaya in Tagalog. And then, takpan natin muli. Once na kumulo, the next, we have to add the wing beans, the cuatro cantos, and then radish horse, malunggay leaves. It's very easy, quick and easy, ika nga. And then the next, I'm gonna add 4 long green mild hot pepper, and then the lady finger, they called it okra in Tagalog or in Filipino. And then we're gonna cover for 1 minute. So ayan, after 1 minute, we're gonna add the shrimp, sugpo in Tagalog or hipon. Ayan, almost done. Very quick mga kapatid. So let's try the taste. Kung if okay. We don't need to add a lot of salt. If salty, I don't like it. Just enough. So yummy yummy. Ayan, luto na yan. Cooking laswa done. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like and comment below. Oh my God, ang sarap. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up, right? Yan. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the notification bell so that lagi kayong updated sa susunod kong mga video. Remove from heat. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye-bye.